I guarantee you, after watching this video, you'll never go back to Red Lobster. Today, we're making a seafood boil. Let's get into it. To begin, we gotta start by boiling our corn and potatoes. I have my water already preheating here. We're going to start by adding the potatoes right in. Now, these will take a little bit longer to boil, so we'll boil them separate because the crab is pretty much cooked. You just have to steam it. So I'm going in with the corn, just like this. And also I'm adding some eggs in there as well. Let me know down below if you like eggs in your seafood boil. If you never try it, it's a must try, okay? Now I'm going in with some Cajun crust seasoning. This is my own seasoning. You can find it on islandvibecooking.com. And also you can use any Cajun seasoning that you like if you don't have my Cajun Crush. We're going to add that on top, let it boil until it's nice and tender. All right, guys, it's time to boil the crab. Look at these beautiful crab legs. Okay, I have my water already hot. Going to place it right in. Woo. Let's just add the crab in here. Now, you know I have to season it. I have my Cajun Crush. Again, you can add some Old Bay in here if you like. But I'm going in with just the Cajun seasoning and also some lemon slices. Squeeze that in if you like. And then we're just going to cover this, allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. Perfect. It is time for me to pan sear my andouille sausages. Yeah, sometimes that happens. So I have my oil preheating already. I'm going in with the sausage. I'm using andouille sausage. They're very spicy and they're delicious too. Perfect for seafood boil. So if you're making this at home, try this sausage. So good. I like to sear my sausages just to give it a beautiful color and make the seafood boil look even more mouth-watering. So just allow it to pan sear, then we'll flip them over. All right, guys, it's time to remove my sausages. We're going to set that aside for now. Oh, they look so good. And now we're going to be working on the delicious seafood boil. I'm going to show you guys how I do it, okay? Now we're going to add in our onion. Mix that together. Also, I'm going in with some garlic. You want this to be nice and garlicky. Going to fry that for a little bit. Next, I'm going in with 1 stick of butter. This is unsalted, by the way. Now, I like to dilute my sauce with some chicken broth. If you like the buttery sauce, that's on you. You can add 2 sticks of butter, but to me, it's a little unhealthy, so I like to go in with some chicken broth. But first, let me allow the butter to melt. All right, now we're going in with the chicken broth. Just pour that in. Make a beautiful sauce, okay? All right. Next, I'm going in with all of my seasoning. I mean, I'm talking about Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper, Old Bay seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder. It's a whole lot of thing in here, okay? That Red Lobster do not use in their sauce. And once you try this, you never going back to regular seafood boil sauce, okay? This is chef's kiss. I'm going in with some hot sauce as well. Pour that in. And also, you can't make seafood boil without lemon juice. Like, squeeze some lemon juice in there. Ooh. This will take it to a whole nother level. And at this point, your sauce is done. As you can see, it's not buttery. It's saucy. You're still gonna get that delicious flavor and butter flavor in there, but it's not only butter. Now you can taste it for salt, pepper, whatever. All right, guys, now I'm going in with the sausage. Woo! Add that in there, give it a mix, and we're going to pour that delicious sauce all over the crab and the corn. Chef's kiss. All right, guys, my corn and potatoes are ready. As you can see, they are looking nice and tender. I'm going to drain the water. Also, the crab is ready as well. Okay, crab is nice and ready. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but let me plate it for you because I'm excited to dive in. So let's do it. All right, guys, our sauce is ready. Let's pour it all over this beautiful seafood. Ooh, it looks good. I like to pour it carefully so we don't splash anything. Look at the arrangement of the seafood boil, honey. That looks so good. Now, I don't want to see you at Red Lobster. By the time you drive yourself there, this seafood will be ready for you. So, and it's cheaper, and you get more crab, more everything, okay? And it tastes way better. So let's pour that beautiful, delicious sauce over. Oof, oof. Oh my goodness. Now, if your mouth not watering right now, I don't know what to tell you. It smells so good. Now that's what I call a seafood boil, baby. Going to garnish with some fresh parsley, add some lemon. Now, tell me where you can find something like this. Delicious, easy, freshly made, okay? Are you ready? Let's try it. Ooh, my goodness. This will be the best seafood boil you'll ever tasted in your entire life. Why waste money at Red Lobster? I'm telling you, you can make this at home. Now, I want you to comment down below, how much would you pay for a plate of seafood boil like this? How much? Comment down below. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, like, if you enjoy it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.